Tabarĩra ĩno nĩ ya kwĩrorerwo nĩ mũndũ wothe.
Thank you so much.
Yes, good to see you.
Here I am.
Kwani ulikuwa urudi?
Tulirudi kidogo. Pale tulipata kazi ni kuiba kutoka asubuhi mpaka jioni. Tena jioni mpaka asubuhi. Tukashindwa, wengine hatuna hiyo sauti. Tukarudi hapa duniani. Si namna hiyo. Uhuru kwa gutiari strict uria mundu angeciria gwa president kuhana. Twathiaga tukoyo ihe nyingi muno kuma Gatondo town, tugetikirwo karori keho kari na manioro fane, tugatwarwo kou, tugatinda kou, na ni turiria mugate nuthu na soda yetagwo Tarino. Na tugagithaka nake. No ri ithu tutiakoragwo na iratu, no ni tuona kamwana gatheru muno karathaka na ithuĩ kou. So hĩndĩ ĩrĩa gĩkuire nĩ ndathire kũrĩa parliament kũmuona, na ngĩthiĩ ndĩ mask, na ngĩthiĩ ndĩ na ngũbia. No rĩrĩa ndarĩ raini-inĩ nĩguo ndonire, nĩguo ndacirutire. Na hĩndĩ ĩrĩa ndacirutire o rĩmwe kũu gũkĩgĩa na commotion nene mũno, thigari ciothe igĩkuhĩrĩria, andũ othe magĩũka, andũ a kamera othe magĩũka, na makĩambĩrĩria gũkĩnũmĩrĩra na kũnjũria ciũria. Niĩ Kibaki akua nerwo nĩ mũtumia wĩtagwo Lucy, nĩguo ndaririkania mũtumia akwa nake etagwo Lucy. Before that sikuwa nafikiria naitwa Lucy anafanana na Lucy wa Kibaki. Sikuwa na hiyo akili. And let me also surprise you. When Kibaki was doing his campaign, I was also vying for a by seat as a councillor. Those days it was a councillor.
So he was vying
as a president. And when he had an accident, 3 days later he also had an accident. Let me also surprise you. I'm told by rumors that Lucy Kibaki's father was an evangelist. My father-in-law is an evangelist at a place called Rari, Kagoya Church. So it's a coincidence you cannot sometimes explain.
So, mureri wa Farundi wa Thayo TV, ndakugeithia o ringi wi mwega na mwaka mweru. Gwoka Ngai ni akumenyereirie agakugitira, and happy new year 2024. Gwoka ni gutirithĩtie wega kuma kiambĩrĩria mweri ĩmwe nginyagia mahinda-inĩ maya. Gacokia ngatho nyingĩ mũno makĩria nĩ ũndũ wa mwaka mweru, na ngahoka Ngai witũ ni akũgitĩrĩte. Gwitũ tũrerirwo mwaka ũyũ no wa magetha. Ngai tugethe mwaka ũyũ wega piũ tondu nĩ tũrĩkĩtie kũhanda, na ũndũ ũcio ũgakorwo ũkĩrĩ mũthaka. Harĩa hothe ũrerorera wĩ Kenya ona nja wa bũrũri thĩ yothe kona ciothe cia thĩ ĩno, ona wĩ kũrĩa Kĩrigiti, ithika mũno makĩria ũmũthĩ tũgakorwo neana ũmwe wanyu kuma kũrĩa itũra rĩa Kĩrigiti nĩwe mũgeni witũ mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ, na rĩngĩ nĩ gũkorwo ngĩkũhe ciake oro rĩu nĩ tondũ ũrĩa ndĩ nake nĩ ũmwe wa andũ arĩa wanerirĩria kuona mũno, nĩ ũmwe wa andũ arĩa marĩ thĩinĩ wa history ya mabuku ma Kenya, nĩ tondũ hingo ciothe wanatuĩka atĩ nĩ ũhana mũndũ fulani, tukarora history, tukarora economy, tukarora maũndũ marĩa mangĩ mothe manahanĩka kũgerera mũndũ ũcio hana. Na koguo ndĩna ũmwe wa andũ arĩa mendekete mũno kũrĩa mwena wa Kĩrigiti na Kenya yothe, na mũndũ ũmwe ũhana mũndũ wanendwo thĩinĩ wa bũrũri witũ wa Kenya, na ona thikũ ici nĩagwetagwo mũno makĩria nĩ ũndũ wa history na record njega atigire bũrũri witũ wa Kenya. Rĩu kaĩ ndĩkĩrĩ na mũthuri ũgwĩtwo Samuel Njau Gĩcaru, etagwo Prezo lookalike, arĩa mamũĩ na nĩ wa kũrĩa Kĩrigiti, ndĩ aciarirwo kũrĩa Gatũndũ, kũrĩa kwa mũgathe ũrĩa mũhurũku wĩra, right opposite yo hau ũguo nĩho aciarĩirwo, na maũndũ mangĩ maingĩ tũkorwo tũkĩmenya mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Koguo before ndĩmũkaribicĩte haha nyambe ngũhutĩrie tũmaũndũ twĩrĩ tũtatũ njoke ndĩmũrehe haha, na niĩ ndacemania nake ndambara kũrigwo nĩ atĩ kũrathiĩ ndakwĩra hana exactly otake. Rĩu kaĩ ona ndakĩona bendera ĩno nĩngũmĩiga haha ikare haha in case tondũ no igue ona Bibilia ndĩnayo nĩ ũndũ wa kĩrĩa Bibilia nayo ĩ haha tondũ no kiuga ũikare o hau. Maũndũ nĩ maingĩ marĩa ndĩna mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ, na ndakenda gwicamania nake ona ni jeni gukenda mundu wa tugucira ha nake indi kuririkania ati heka mugundo na kwendagiria Nyandarua toko no wariganirwo tutanathie holiday getagwo Bethany Glorious Nyandarua. Bethany Glorious Nyandarua ri ere ndagika 6 kuma kuria miharati town gwa Pastor Ngaroia gukinya mugunda-ini iri hakuhi na shopping center etwo Rironi kana Gillette na turari uhoro wa kilomita 1 kuma highway-ini niho mugunda ucio ri na kilomita 2 kuma Rironi shopping center. Mugunda cio no 100 by 100 kana quarter to kwendagiria 800 na ndigiaga to parcels tuigana tatu na kana tutano ndigitia hau koguo no nyenda wehuririe kamwe tutanatiriha mweri wa Januari wewe bange ona weciria ni kurima kana ni gwaka kwina neighbor kwina thitima mai magereirio hau kindu giothe kiho all weather road niko gabara karia kaingirite kuma haria highway-ini karia ndoiga kilomita 1 kuma highway-ini. Deposit ni 50 icungire kwa ihinda ria mieri 6 no gaukiaraniria nani kutukira 0798008008 0798008008. Thogorosho ni inclusive of title deed ona ugikiaria na Madam Phyllis ya kiriwe CEO 0725342987. Kabuni yetagwo Pecheta Properties gikurehera Bethany Glorious. Haria bypass hena andu mareita Express Terrazzo Center niyo supply ari nene muno makiria Eastern Bypass at Terrazzo na riu negwenda macerere akorwo ni uraka akowi na flat urakiro ikowi na bungalow kana mansion uraka kana mukawo na kana kanitha duka anything na niwenda kuhuthira Terrazzo acio ni mego supplier wega hone ati gutiri handu matakinyaga countrywide na nimekaga delivery services quality ya material cia ndungimetigiria na toro uguo ningi ne magwikagira reinstallation ya old Terrazzo ona toro uguo ne maguthambagiria Terrazzo hunyo kwega na acid na ikahako polish gatagate ka maundu mangi maingi. Namba cia thimu ciao ni 0798 333 0798 333 macerere haria Eastern Bypass area Kamakis wahetokare fage me hau mbere ni ukuna signboard ciao Express Terrazzo Center. Gacoka gamenya wega ati ni uracera Kenya na thegio kuri aria maracera Kenya ni tondu ni njui ni murananiria na Cool Palace B&Bs magakuhe handu ha gukoma fully furnished houses iria ire kuri Rwaka Roysambu Kiambu Road Bypass Social Estate handu hothe mena 1 bedroom 2 bedroom 3 bedrooms thaka muno makiria cina indo cia kiriu kwina wifi na kwina lift nyumba icio cionthe uraingira ni wega ngomenyithia ati mena ofisi haria Muthaiga Square first floor wing C room number 110 na namba yao ya thimu ni 0748 999 0748999 na kuriwe roi manja wa fururi airport transfer marako free of charge mena gari standby irako gira airport uramikore gweteire airport wana wa buku bere kana wali savuru mutene ukakore gweteire airport igagutwara ginya kure urathie gukoma ndukeranirie na 0748999900 inbox kana WhatsApp na nigetha undu ucio korori mwega ungigenda tukwe live streaming magogona maku mothe ne twikaga live streaming thiini wa magogona ta mathiko conferences makanithaine magogona mohiki birthday parties kana igogona ringi ori yothe ungenda turikave imwe kwa imwe nginya ohiki ufatara kwaniria na 0718 4433 0718 na ne twikaga photography services ona ne tuoyaga video na kamera citu ni cia kireu cietagwo black magic na tuina ginya drone gugutigirira ati uhiki kana igongona riu riaku ria gema na ria thakara ona makiria sasa bacio mangi guikira kumenyithagia turi haha nigetha tobe tushire na Mr. Samuel Jao Gisharu ndio
tuko hapa
kwani iko nini
kuna shida sawa tuongee na wananchi
ndio
namna hiyo
si ni sawa
sasa wewe ndiye kiongozi
haya basi wewe
unaanza wapi
wow karibu sana
thank you so much
yes good to see you
here I am
kwani ulikuwa rudi
tulirudi kidogo pale tulipata kazi ni kuiba kutoka asubuhi mpaka jioni tena jioni mpaka asubuhi tukashindwa wengine hatuna hiyo sauti tukarudi hapa duniani si namna hiyo
na sasa economy hapa haiguziki kwa nini mkaamua kurudi economy haiguziki afadhali kuimba kuliko economy ya Kenya
hakuna economy inakuwaga mzuri dunia yote. Dunia ni kuudwa, inaudwa pole pole. Na hakuna haraka. Sijui kama wewe unajua. Siku moja wewe enda uambie fundi ya kutengenezea kiti inaitwa sofa set. Ukienda kabla haijamalizika, uone ile kazi anaenda hapo, utasema hii ni pubafu. Na utamwambia wacha hiyo kazi. Lakini wakati hiyo kazi inaendelea, na aweke hiyo kiti covers mzuri, urudi pale, utamwambia shika hii tip, manake itatokea mzuri. Kwa hivyo tuache haraka. Na tuache kukibiza Ruto. Ni pole pole tu. Na kama haitawezekana, si tutasema. Si namna hiyo.
Mwanya darwa uronekera kuria gwa Pecheta Properties. Na riu turakurugureria Bethany Glorious Nyandarua o haha Rironi. Guku turakwenderia broti cia 100 by 100 iria turakuhe na thogora mubashirire wa ciringi 800 wagura cash na 900 wagura na installment. Wigirire deposit ya ciringi 150 icio ingĩ ũrĩhe kwa ihinda rĩa mĩeri 6. Kũndũ gũkũ kwĩna maĩ na thitima na title deed cie tayari. Nĩ njũĩ ũrĩa yuri ici cirendio wega ciĩkũ. Twĩ kilomita 2 tu kuma Rironi Shopping Center na kilomita 1 kuma Rami. Aranĩria na Farothi kũhetũkĩra 0798 008 008 kana Phyllis 0725 342 987. Pecheta Properties. Unlock the door to your dreamland.
Thank you so much. Tarekere tuombe tucoke riu he Samuel Njau wa kawaida. Tuombe tuteretange ni tuguthii tukiingiraga o kahora tukiingiraga mdogo. Igatombe tũrie na muthuri wa kuria Kirigiti, Prezo look alike, mundu wanagegia andu aingi, mundu wana t-shirt andu aingi mugukarigwo, kongihana mundu no muhana biu. Ginya maitho ginya Igatombe tũrie riu na thauti yaku ya kawaida, tucoka tukiingira o kahora ndina Biblia haha. Riu na ginya he mbica ndina cio haha nie ni kumaka ndamaka. Karibu sana Mr. Samuel.
Thank you very much.
Ndakena gukuona. Tabogeithie murori wa Farothi wa Thayo TV riu na thauti yaku ya kawaida nigetha etikia ati ni hari we na ni hari riu we thiini wa Kibaki.
Ni ndamugeithia inyuothe eroreri a Farothi TV. Njĩtagwo Samuel Njau wa Gĩcaru. Ndaciarĩirwo itura rĩtagwo Kĩrangari Gatũndũ opposite Icaweri kũrĩa kumĩte President Uhuru Kenyatta. Na niĩ nĩ tũthakĩte na Uhuru mũnini kwao mũciĩ. Ngĩcoka ngĩthamĩra itura rĩtagwo Kĩrigiti kũrĩa ngoretwo kuo mĩaka 22 ngĩruta wĩra wa biashara.
Riu ati mwathaka na Uhuru.
Nĩ wonaga Uhuru nĩ oĩ Gĩkũyũ mũno. Na Uhuru kwao gũtiarĩ strict ũrĩa mũndũ angĩciria gwa president kũhana. Twathiaga tukoywo ihĩĩ nyingĩ mũno kuma Gatũndũ town, tũgekĩrwo karori keho karĩ na maniũrũ bane, tũgatwarwo kũu, tũgatinda kũu, na nĩ tũrĩrĩa mũgate nuthu na soda yetagwo Tarino. Na tũgagĩthaka nake. No rĩu ithuĩ tũtiakoragwo na iratũ, no nĩ tuonaga kamwana gatheru mũno karathaka na ithuĩ kũu. Tũtiakĩoya gatuĩka mũtongoria wa bũrũri wa Kenya.
Na ndikari toka mwana rĩa kĩambĩrĩirio hau gatene.
Na ngwĩciria nĩguo tondũ karĩ kamwana kanini gathaka mũno. Na gatũraga na tai na bow tie. Na tũgagĩthaka nako kũu wega mũno. Ndiakĩmenyaga agatuĩka president mwĩrĩ agakĩndirikana.
Na no wagweta ciugo cia matondu ni ndigwite one of the comedians Ngoni wa Thuita is a radio guru akiuga ni maceraga kwa Uhuru. Riu ngarigwo how meciana
Uhuru ona ithe Kenyatta they were ordinary people. Tariu muthe Jomo Kenyatta brother yake akite ukuhituka one neighbor nigetha ukinye kwa brother yake James Muigai. Na Uhuru ni twamuonaga umite mundu gwitwo Kenyatta, mzee Jomo Kenyatta oimete gwake agithie maguru athie agacerere brother yake hwaini na tukora twakirwo tuherahere Kenyatta ni arahituka
ala
na agagitugeithia tugakena muno no tutiakoragwo tugiciria ati ni president kana niki ithuĩ twakiona muthuri mukuru agagitugeithia.
Okay, rĩu waranirwo ta ciana iria ingĩ kamũiria tuĩkĩte Kibaki
rĩu ndiũ ingĩkũreheire mbica no ngĩmakire tondu niĩ kuhanana na Kibaki ni 3 months to his death.
No, wait a minute. Tuduhe mbica ndona haha na ni mbica ĩno ndamirora gũtirĩ handũ mũhane na Kibaki ona ithuĩ ũyũ
nĩ ũcio
gũtirĩ handũ mũhane
na rĩu ĩyo mbica nĩ ya mĩaka 3 kuma ũmũthĩ 3 years ago rĩu ũguo nĩguo ndahanaga gũtirĩ handũ twahanaine na Kibaki no 3 months to his death nĩguo ndaiguire thiĩte handũ supermarket kĩigua mũndũ anjĩra wewe mnafanana na Kibaki kidogo na kutoka hapo ikawa namna hiyo kila mtu na kila siku nikaanza kuwa kama yeye na niguo ndagiciririe hindi imwe ni ngugeria njigua ria andu mekuga so hindi ria gikuire ni ndathire kuria parliament kumuona na ngithie ndina mask na ngithie ndina ngobia no riria ndari raini-ini niguo ndonire niguo ndacirutire na hindi ndacirutire o rimwe kuu gukigia na commotion nene muno thigari ciothe igikuhereria andu othe magiuka andu a kamera othe magiuka na makimbiria gukinumirira na kunjuria ciuria na ngirikia kuona mwiri wa Mwai Kibaki mwena uria ungi wa parliament the crowd could not be controlled tondu kuonekire tari Kibaki wariuka na thimu ikiambiria kuhurwo
Kibaki kuona Kibaki
riu andu mokimone Kibaki live na radio station ciothe igishift ikiambiria kwaria uhoro wa mundu wonekana parliament that is what happened and from there Kibaki but I want to state very clearly that we are not related at all and so many people have pushed me to tell the country that we are related, but we are not. And that one I'm for sure. It's a sure bet.
Nuri utajira atiriri. Au ungihana mundu atio muhane piu.
Nidakwira, it is something very mysterious.
3 months to his death.
3 months to his death. Let me surprise you. Hindi iria kuonekire mundu hana Kibaki thiini wa studio. Sisters yakwa na brothers yakwa na andu aitu matiamenyire ni nie
haya
they could not tell so mecirie ni
mundu o matioi mundu hana Kibaki
kwao uguo na mationete atutonanite 3 months
na ti macoke hakite kana ki oimira hana Kibaki no matikoi uguo.
Sasa wewe kuna kitu unaona nimejipaka hapa hakuna. I was like that leo go ikiga na commotion nene muno and after that interviews kwa TV zote na radio zote zilikuwa zinaelekezwa Kirigiti. Every day I had to receive some people from the press to come and question me and even nida koragwo ni andu marenda njuge ndi mwana wa Kibaki nigetha ndikione kanyamu lakini hiyo ni upumbavu tu kwa maana pesa sio kila kitu. Na kuongea uongo sio muhimu. Weka maisha yako, Mungu atakubariki kwa njia yake. Si namna hiyo.
Namna hiyo. Riu gutire mundu ni kwagirira mundu nginya wa family hihi ungikuria kana wa kuhurire gukuria
riria mitambo yambiriirie ritwa niro riatumire mamenye ni nie to ndakigire njitagwo Samuel Ija wa Gicaru na riu niro ritwa riakwa andu maikiambiria kuria niwe tuona TV-ini niwe tuona niwe twaigua na ngikimera ni nie na riu from there ndiwe kana ni andu mambiriire kuona hana uguo tondu riu nginya umuthi uyu Kirigiti njitagwo Emilio Mwai Kibaki na andu makirirwo nduka yakwa meragirwo ya Emilio makira kitu namna hiyo.
Riu we ukirona Kibaki ri haria wagithire kumwonea nigetha riu ugicapture the attention ya andu ri already wambirie kwirwo 3 months to his death. Kogo nageuka gukua ri we wathie kuona ota mwananchi wa kawaida
nilikuwa na lakini at the same time nidathiaga go test ugo ndo maroiga what the reaction of the people nigetha nyoni uria ndo mekuga no riu ria ndarutire mask na ria ndarutire nguvia all the attention changed from now Kibaki the one who was lying there to this Kibaki who is alive.
Haya, tareketa tucoke thiini wa normal life yaku. No yo kumenya uthomeire ku?
Ndathomeire cukuru wa primary wetagwo Githaruru Primary School in Gatundu. I later went to Ng'enda Secondary School na niĩ ndiathomire makiria ya ũguo. No after kuhikania nĩ ndathire thukuru na ngĩthoma ngawe hapa na pale. Kwa hivyo niko na masomo kidogo. Sio ile kari kama yenyu. Hii yangu ni kidogo.
Haya, rĩu warĩkia hii
ndarĩkia cukuru ndaikarire mũciĩ ta mĩaka 4. Nĩ ndakũragia nyanya na mboga na tũindo ta tũu ngakendia thoko ya Gatundu. No afterwards nĩ ndonire wĩra kambuni ĩtagwo Boni Dry Cleaners na rĩa ndarutire wĩra Boni Dry Cleaners mawĩra makĩhingũka. I later went to Kenya Trypanosomiasis Research Institute in Mogoga. I later went to Nairobi Evangelical Graduate School of Theology. Then from there I went to Kenya Industrial Estates.
Building your dream home, rentals or commercial property? Are you looking for durable, low maintenance, eco-friendly and design flexible materials for your construction? Express Terrazzo Center is your one-stop shop for all types of terrazzo materials including white cement, marble chips, strips, skirting nails and non-slip timber.
Hello and welcome to Express Terrazzo Center. We offer all types of terrazzo materials including white cement, all colors of chips and polish.
Our chips come in 3 different colors, white, black and cream, which can be customized for different areas such as kitchen countertops, flooring and walls. We also offer fixing and delivery services across the country.
At Express Terrazzo Center, we have 3 different colors of terrazzos, that is white, black and cream. Each color has 2 sizes, that is 3/16 and 1/4. We also have flower terrazzo for your decoration.
Visit us at Ruiru Bypass, Kamakis, near RFH Hospital, 3 kilometers from the roundabout, or call us on 0798 333 000. Express Terrazzo Center. You dream it, we fix it.
And I have also worked with informal sector program.
Hey.
I have worked in High Court as a court assessor. And currently, I am a board member for liquor licensing at Kiambu County. Kwa hivyo, mambo ya pombe tunajaribu kuangalia sana. Kwa maana vijana wamepotea pale. Na wao kazi yao sasa ni kukula pombe kutoka asubuhi mpaka jioni. Kuna wale tumeongea na wamebadilika. Lakini kuna wengine hawasikii. Nao ndio watu tunasema wao ni mavi ya kuku. Na wanatakiwa watwangwe makofi manake hawana maana. Wana maana gani?
Hawana maana duniani.
Kila siku ni kuamuka na kulia serikali saidia. Wao ni kitu gani wanasaidia serikali? Hakuna.
Really, wona coincidence yetu ugakorwo urutite mawira na nyamu iragweteka. Tayu ni wona igigweta kurenda na uta wira rugitiro ukigwata wati ukianirira. But we urekora budi ni ugekora ngai informal sector ga do nyamu nene kai muturira waku urathiuga ukahanana na wa mundu munene. Despite yako hana mundu munene ito ndukugothe da ndoro gwa gwetari na ndoiga ndui muthomu muno ri no gwokire ona after githomo kire wa githomire.
Let me surprise you.
Ajuno ko hingi wa ginya wariganiro
we kundu kuingi muno ndutite wira no guothe ni munyaka muthenya umwe ndari na muithikirio githuka ngithondeka itanga ria muithikirio gucokia nyororo ngigwa andu mareranira wira handu na mari airetu ngikimoria wira ucio no nyone ngija wendelea na kazi yako ya baiskeli lakini I insisted. You know what? The following day nilikuwa kwa hiyo kazi.
Allah.
So hakuna haja mtu akufe moyo.
Kujituma.
Unajituma tu. Unajipea shughuli na mambo itabadilika pole pole. Tunasonga mbele. Kwani tutarudi nyuma kufanya kitu gani?
So you really struggled.
It is struggle. Me, I went to Form 1. Itari kirato. Ndathomire Form 1 itari kirato. Form 2 niguo headmaster wigire uti mwana guthoma atari kirato. Na tutigionire mbeca icio. So ndahoirwo kia muthuri wetagwo Kamita. Kamita ugeithikio go no uranyona ni muthuri mukorori kio kana ni aratuona.
Ari bari cia githai.
No eharia icaberi hakuhi na Kenyatta akihe kirato giake ndi Form 1 akigura nginyira. Na kigithai ucio wa gweta is a neighbor. Is 5 neighbors. His home.
Ni tundu githai ri to ruye Kamita ndari onete na githai.
Githai umite gatundu. Ndu twitaga Mwirine. Na niho henjera kuingira Kirangari. Na nikuo gwitu mucii.
Ungituirie bari yo ya Kamita ri ni yo na ya Beni githai.
Ni mari andu aingi muno metagwo Kamita. Na Kamita ni ithe munini kana mukuru, I can't remember. Lakini kuna Kamita. So
kundu guku guothe urutite wira ri kumwe ni munyaka kungi gwituma.
As you have put it very clear. Dunia hii mambo haiwezi kukupata pale chini. Saa ingine inakubidi wewe ufanye bidii yako na utumie akili ile Mungu amekupatia ndio upate jambo fulani. Kwa hivyo sio kukaa pale na kulia, hiyo wacha. Fanya bidii. Naye Mungu akiwa mbinguni anaona ile bidii unafanya na atakubariki kwa njia moja ama njia nyingine.
Okay. Mawira maya mothi ukimaruta gacagacaine yo no ho wagira na kairetu uria tungita mutumia waku muthenya umuthi na nderu etagwo Lucy and I'm shocked they etagwo Lucy. So how Lucy?
I don't know.
How?
Well.
Ito hindi wa muhikia ate hindi o Kibaki atuika thini ahuruka tigu wa muhikia.
Leke ngwiri undu umwe. Nie Kibaki akua. Nere mutumia wetagwo Lucy niguo ndarikania mutumia akwa nake etagwo Lucy. Before that sikuwa nafikiria naitwa Lucy anafanana na Lucy wa Kibaki. Sikuwa na hiyo akili. And let me also surprise you. When Kibaki was doing his campaign, I was also vying for a by seat as a councillor. Those days it was a councillor.
So he was vying
as a president. And when he had an accident, 3 days later he also had an accident. Let me also surprise you.
Na the wero ha muro ready. Alijoni uwekerero bicha ici hau ne producer.
I stayed on a wheelchair for 8 months. But I did not make it kiti ya councillor. Unajua sasa challenge iliingia.
Wait a minute. Warugamaga councillor Kibaki agivai for president in 2002.
He had an accident. But he made it to the president.
Hai wewe wagire accident ri?
3 days after his accident.
Kogwa ohedio wa vai for councillor.
When I was vying for councillor for a by ward in Kiambu. Let me also surprise you. I'm told by rumors that Lucy Kibaki's father was an evangelist. My father-in-law is an evangelist at a place called Rai, Kagoya Church. So this is a coincidence you cannot sometimes explain. Haya ni mambo ya Mungu.
Hey, dika unaji tuloiga. Kibaki agivai for president in 2002. Avayaga for cancer kule never by ward. Kibaki on accident o akini adiko ithatu na agi na accident. Father in law wa
Kibaki.
Lucy Kibaki Ni evangelist. Father-in-law wa Lucy wake. Ni evangelist.
I can mention his name together ado mamumenye. My father-in-law ni evangelist, no ni retired now. Kuria mwena wa kuria wetagwo Rari. Kanitha wetagwo Kogothiria. That is where he has served for so many years as an evangelist. And we love him so much.
Wow. Hey. Wako mpea maundu macio mothe ri. Ndukiraga nduke urie ciuri. Ukiriti ugu.
Mimi sina maswali. Nyinyi ndio mko na maswali.
Hata hizo ndio
tu na maisha yangu. I'm a simple person. Currently I'm running a small duka at Kibaki. Na hapo ndio nina shida siku yangu mzima. Na watu wale wengi wanakuja kununua. Ukiangalia hawakuji kununua tu. Wanakuja kuangalia huyu ni nani anatuuzia.
Kara Kibaki ha.
Kibaki there is a roundabout. After the roundabout from Kiambu, going to Roiro, on your right side,
Kibaki.
Hapo ndio duka yangu iko inaitwa Gesharu Multi-Purpose Shop. Nyinyi mko karibu edeni mkanunue hapo. Lucy is still there. Even now as we talk here. She's there.
So apart from the supermarket, what else do you do?
I do other things like I have mentioned. Ni goragwo kuria gwa county na bodi ya rika. He wira ndutaga on voluntary. I was also a court assessor. Assessor is a person who assess capital cases. Those people who are going to be hanged. Those people who are going to be sentenced for life. We call them capital offenses. I used to do that work, but now I've stopped. At the same time, I do a small private work on voluntary basis for the government.
Okay.
Na mambo ingine kidogo. I have various circle. I am a director in various circle within Kiambu and some other areas. So I'm busy kufanya kazi kidogo badala ya kukaa hivi na kuregarega. Tunafanya kazi kidogo ndio tupate mkate.
So ciana ciaku ni kicikaga?
I have two children. And a son and a daughter. Na ni andu makiri na kwao. My son Gesharu. Na by the way, Gesharu no ndaithetie muno koimitete Mwai Kibaki. Noe unyonagio uria kanua kaigagwo mundu akaria ta Kibaki.
Na maitho.
Noe unyonagio uria maitho mekagwo. Nigetha gaikara ta Kibaki. She's a very hilarious guy. And then I have a daughter called Nyambura. And just like their father, because when they grow up, they found me in business. They are in small business, but I'm happy for them. Hawanisumbui. Wao wanafanya mambo yao.
So, what do you love about your life?
My life.
And especially the Kibaki look-alike life. Has it changed your life? You know, people think ati muturire rire watuika ati no wambia kugigweta. Mustori ucenjagio rimwe.
Well, I don't know what I would say. But one thing I want to tell you, ungirora muturire wa andu aria metagwo tumetaga andu meigweta muno. Celebrities. Sometimes watu gwiciria muturire wao ni mwega muno. No wadimae muturire wao. But let me tell you, it is not so. Todo what happens when wakinya level ya celeb. Andu meciragia wina besha. Andu mageciria you are very comfortable with your life. Diago ni andu mageciria wina besha, so all those people with the problem will come to you. And then ni andu aingi muno metigagira gukuhe mawira tondu mareciria ni ukumarehia besha nyingi. So like my life, uniona hapa nikikuja na kofia. Kwa maana nikitembea bila kofia, kila mtu atafikiri wewe ni Kibaki. Kila mtu wana expect utampatia kitu kidogo. Na huna kitu kwa mfuko. So, it's a life you cannot understand. Like myself, I live a very ordinary life. Sio hiyo maisha ya juu. Na hakuna kitu, wacha nikuambie ukweli, hakuna kitu ilibadilika. Hakuna extra coin nimepata because I became a celeb.
Ni fame tu.
Ni fame tu. Jina huko na kubwa, lakini mifuko hakuna kitu. So like that. Lakini tunakula, tukipata ya kukula, si unaona tuko sawa sawa. Hakuna mtu tunasumbua. Kwa hivyo hiyo ndio maisha ya celeb. Ndio kuna wengine wako pale juu, nao ni sawa, lakini wengi wanapotea pale chini because of fame.
Mwai Ndarwa uronekera kuria gwa Pecheta Properties. Na riu turakurugureria Bethany Glorious Nyandarua o haha Rironi. Gũkũ turakwenderia broti cia 100 by 100 iria turakuhe na thogora mubashirĩre wa ciringi 800 wagũra cash na 900 wagũra na installment. Wĩigĩrĩre deposit ya ciringi 150 icio ingĩ ũrĩhe kwa ihinda rĩa mĩeri 6. Kũndũ gũkũ kwĩna maĩ na thitima na title deed ciĩ tayari. Nĩ njũĩ ũrĩa yũrĩ ici cirendio wega ciĩkũ. Twĩ kilomita 2 tu kuma Rironi Shopping Center na kilomita 1 kuma Rami. Aranĩria na Farothi kũhetũkĩra 0798 008 008 kana Phyllis 0725 342 987. Pecheta Properties. Unlock the door to your dreamland.
So if today one can approach you to become a brand ambassador, are you expensive?
I am not. Wewe ndio utasema ni nini unataka kupatia mimi. Na nitakufanyia mambo mzuri.
So you can become one.
Lakini saa hii nimesikia kuna shamba unauza. Na hiyo shamba lazima nitafanya bidii. Ninunue kaploti kamoja hapo.
Wow.
Kwa hivyo naambia yule anataka kununua hapo, jaribu kidogo ukuwe neiba yangu. Tutakuwa tunakula supu pale na wewe. So I'm not expensive. I do small job. Sometimes ninaitwa kwa event fulani na ninaongea kidogo, ninaona kabasa kidogo imesukumbwa kwangu. Na hiyo na appreciate.
Yes.
So I'm not expensive as such. Na pia kujitolea najitolea. Sina mna hiyo.
So your words to celebrities. Aria magiaga na igweta makamenyekana magacoka matikinyerekaga. I didn't struggle to reach you. Ndahũthĩrie tu mũndũ ũmwe aranjĩra agĩkoragwo haha rũreke ndĩmwĩte. Kũrĩ mũndũ ũngĩkorwo in fact andũ angĩ thaa ici tu ndĩraria ũguo ndĩraria kũmakinyĩra nĩ wĩra magĩte na igweta hanini.
Let me tell you. Ngai atũmbĩte atĩrĩrĩ. Rĩrĩa wĩthĩ mũno. Geria ũtige kuonania wĩthĩ. Na rĩrĩa wĩ igũrũ mũno. Tiga gũikara kũrĩa igũrũ. Tondũ ũrĩa wĩ igũrũ mũno ũngĩtua kũharũrũka nĩguo ũngĩgwa na mũrurumo mũnene. If God bless you na akupeleke pale juu, don't forget wale watu umewacha pale chini. You need them. You never know what will happen tomorrow.
Yes.
So I would tell my fellow celebs, tukae na watu na tukae maisha mazuri na tusaidiane. Na wewe kama Mungu amekubariki umeenda pale na umebahatika kupata kitu, usisahau yule uliwacha pale chini. Na ukiona mtu kama mimi najaribu kukuja juu kidogo, furuta mimi, onyesha mimi hiyo njia tuende pamoja. Namna hiyo.
Koguo he mbeca ũngĩũranwo nacio ũngĩambatia mũno. Ndũrakinyĩrĩka. Ndĩrenda gũkũrehera mbeca, ndĩrenda gũgwĩta kawĩra, ndũrakinyĩrĩka.
Let me tell you. Every journey iko na mwisho wake. Na ukifika pale mwisho, either utaanguka hapo ama utaanza kurudi nyuma. So be careful. Hakuna njia utaenda uende haina mwisho. Hakuna. Utafika mwisho and you need people to help you.
Sure.
And let me tell you something that you don't know, or maybe you know. The things you do in this world and the things you do to people, to other people, are more important than the things you do to yourself. Wewe unasikiaga watu wakati masishi hiyo eulogy inasomwa. Ni vitu gani? Ni vitu gapi unasikia inasomwa ati huyu mtu alinunua nyumba, kanunua gari, na pia alikufa akiwa na Prado. Yale mambo inatajwa ni yale alifanyia watu.
Wow.
Hiyo nataka ujue hivyo. And I want everybody to know that what you do to people is more important than what you do to yourself.
Okay.
Remember what Kibaki did to this country.
Yes.
We shall remember him for many years. Lakini sio ile maisha yake na ile vitu wako nazo. Lakini everybody will come, even those who will be born afterwards. Watakuwa wanajua kuna mtu alikuwa anaitwa Kibaki na alisaidia hii nchi.
What do you feel looking like a person who changed life of Kenyans? Yani kila mtu anamtaja kila siku. Uigua mundu wothe amugwetwo muthenya. Korwo ni hindi ya Kibaki, economy hindi ya Kibaki, runi hindi ya Kibaki, gwaikaria hindi ya Kibaki, mabengi matiahanaga hindi ya Kibaki, maisha matiari maritu hindi ya Kibaki, beturu yo imagona hindi ya Kibaki, dora ndiabatire hindi ya Kibaki. What do you have to say? We hanaine na mundu wina history njega. How do you feel?
Let me tell you. I've been in this country for 60 years now.
You're 60 years old.
I'm now 60 years old. Pole, nimesema hiyo by the way, lakini sawa sawa. And I've seen this country when I was now a grown-up person. And I've also known this country from the time when we had President Jomo Kenyatta, then we had President Mwai, then we had Kibaki, then Uhuru, and now we have Ruto. Na nataka kusema tuache kujaji sana. Ruto is a very able person. Lakini kuna mambo mengine anafanya pole pole. Na tutaona tu. Na wacha tusiwe na haraka. Hii nchi yote huwezi kuitengeneza kwa siku moja ama siku tatu. Tugojee kidogo. Na akimaliza miaka 5 tutakuwa tumeona amefika wapi. Na kama hata kuwa anafika mahali tunataka, bado tutasema kwani tunaenda wapi? Tutasema. So let's give him time. What I would say, I'm very desperate. Very desperate. Because even if I'm not so learned, there are few things that I know. There are few things that I imagine. There are ideas that I have that can fix this country. But since niko pale chini, I have got no voice. So I watch. But given a chance, I have something that I can tell the country. I have a word for President Ruto. Again, wale watu wanajua mimi pale Kirigiti. Mimi nimekuwa nasaidiana na watu sana pale Kirigiti. Sijui kuna njia unaweza kuwauliza straight away wakwambie. So, ile ujuzi kidogo niko nayo, tunasaidiana. Na ndiposa umeona, gavana wetu wa Matagi amenipatia kazi kidogo, wewe najaribu kurekebisha mambo ya pombe. Na kabisa tumejaribu. Na tumeongea na vijana. Because mushieri ugaga mwana ndahuragwo giteagwo na nja, mwana ahuragwo gicokio na kĩ?
Na thĩinĩ.
So hata ukiona wanakunywa hiyo pombe, ongea na wao kwa utulivu, wapatie jambo fulani. And again, the level of assisting people is different. Na wewe ile kitu kidogo uko nayo, usifikirie ni kidogo. Wewe saidia wale wako nyuma yako, ukiangalia wale wako mbele yako. Na tukifanya hiyo, tutakuwa tumesonga mbele sana.
Do you wish to meet President Ruto? And what could you tell him if you meet him today?
I met President Ruto during the campaign times. Akaniangalia sana pale wakiwa na Moses Kuria. Na hata Moses Kuria akaniambia, wewe tukimaliza campaign, alikuwa na vie for governor for Kiambu, unione kuna mahali nitakufix. He did not make it to the governor.
Maybe he forgot.
Amepata kiti.
Maybe he
Pia
forgot.
Ruto aliniangalia tu akashindwa, nani huyo naye amefufuka. Na akawacha, alikuwa very busy during the campaign, you remember that?
Yes, yes.
But it would be my wish if I could meet him.
President Ruto.
President Ruto.
Haya, ndio hiyo kamera mwambie.
Rais Ruto, tunakupenda sana. Na tunajua bidii yako. Na tunajua uko na bidii sana ya kufanya kazi for this country. I have a word for you. You don't have to listen to everybody who is talking to you, whether negatively or positively. There are things you need to concentrate. There are things you need to consult, because I'm very sure you are capable of leading this country. There are men and women in this country who can sit down with you and talk with you, and this country will move. But even now we believe you are doing all that you can to see this country move to another level. Nimetoa mfano kidogo hapa kwamba yule carpenter anatengeneza kiti ya sofa set. Ukipata saa ile anauganisha hizo vitu, utapenda hiyo kazi. But ukienda afterwards when the covers are now put well and see the kind of work that has been done, everybody will be happy. So we are giving you time, and we are going to give you all the support. Thank you so much. Now to fellow Kenyans, let's not be in a hurry. Let's not criticize everything. Let's try to help this country. Na kwa wale wote waliongoza nchi hii kutoka mzee Jomo Kenyatta, Rais Mwai, Rais Kibaki na Uhuru Kenyatta, we congratulate you for bringing this country to where we are. Thank you very much.
Na kwa mwananchi wa kawaida, jua alikuwa ukimaliza speech, kuna ile Kiswahili sasa ilikuwa inaongezeka hapo.
Na wewe tunataka kukuambia ya kwamba kazi yako sio kukaa pale na kulia kila wakati na kusema serikali saidia. Wewe lazima utuambie ni kitu gani unafanyia nchi yako, na ni kitu gani wewe unafanyia nchi yako ndio iendelee mbele. Lakini ikiwa wewe kazi yako ni kukaa pale na kuregarega kila mahali na kukula pombe, basi mtu kama wewe ni bure, na mtu kama wewe ni mavi ya kuku, na unatakiwa ubadilike na tuendelee njia moja.
Wow. That's amazing. Anyway, this is a clip niliwatch pale Kasarani. Nilikuwa Kasarani ama ilikuwa wapi? Sijui, unajua ulikuwa mafichoni ukisoea hii. Lakini at least at least ulikuona. Hii ulisoea hii ukiwa umejificha mahali. Hauko unataka tujue ni wapi.
Lakini hii nataka kusema ni ya kujifanya.
Hii sasa ni comedy part.
You see, I can be taken to court. Because I'm taking oath.
This is for comedy sake.
Mimi Emilio Mwai Kibaki nataka kuapa ya kwamba nitakuwa mwaminifu kwa katiba ya Kenya. Ewe Mwenyezi Mungu unisaidie.
Wow, anyway, it's part of comedy, the scene, to do no imitation here, the former late president, Mwai Kibaki. And I'm so happy ni undu wa gutucerera guku na gutuika anti no wage na mweke wa gukakoraniria na ithuĩ. Ndiũĩ ungenda kwĩra Mũkenya atia in regards to uria maisha maikaire. You've seen a lot. 60 years ti kindu kihotho. Miaka 60 no wonete bururi uyu ni uhuthirite thendi cietagwo ndo nduru, ukahuthira sense, ukahuthira ingotore, ukahuthira ni iriku ingi muhuthagira hindi yo.
Mbeca cikoretwo kuo rwako ringi cia irima.
Icio ni
mbeca cia irima.
Icio ndiahuthirie.
Na tondu gutiare bengi ciekagirwo irima, tondu kwari athuri a matura maigagira andu mbeca. Riu wona wagethie rurigine rwaku akohora agwikirira kingotore giaku hau na mari faithful, because there were no banks. You might see me as a young person, but I found that in our village. Nikio ciekagirwo irima nigetha andu acio maukaga ukaigirwo mbeca ciaku karurigine gaku, riu wagioka ikaharukio na gakohwo, wenda kuruta wagioka ikarutwo na gakohwo, nikio ciekiritwo irima.
Na no wagwetaga undu kega, people were faithful by then, undu gutiari mabegi. Umuthi we are no longer faithful and we are corrupt.
It is very, very sad. Let me tell you, because I know it. When this country achieved independence, those who were given work by the government did their work. And there was no corruption. And people were performing. Na mundu aheo wira arutaga wira ucio na ngoro yake yothe. Na agaserve Kenyans na ngoro yake yothe. But it is different today, and it is very sad. Tondu riu mundu wothe arehuriria na hake. Tondu riu mundu wothe aracaria opportunity ya kuia. It was not so. So dad, fellow Kenyans, let us be faithful to our calling. Let's serve Kenyans with humility. Let's serve them with love. Because hii pesa nyingi unataka ni ya kupeleka wapi? Hakuna. Serve the people. And when you go back to your home and sit there, you'll be happy. And you'll feel that you really helped the people. Lakini hii mambo ya wizi na nini ndio inaharibu nchi yetu. Na hiyo ni lazima tuache. Wewe wacha hiyo.
Wow. Tukurekeria hau mwirori wa Barondu wa Thayo TV hena mundu wingi muno ingi muri no ni undu wa mahinda ndirona mahatha makwa matire ho no riu ri mundu gwetwo Lucy oigaga atia Lucy uyu waku akurora bajari kana Kibaki ari na indo beno kugiginyana biaretwo Lucy bio hana Kibaki akwiraga atia riria mukutereta nake.
One good thing about that girl, she's very faithful. And she's very patient. Na nyakiguaga wega ni gwitanio na Lucy wa munene. But that one does not get her away from doing her everyday activities. She's very hardworking. Na ni akiguaga agikenete ni gwitanio na munene.
Na gwenda umwacui ati no we wike. Tondu amenya thiko ici mune athi atuika celeb akagia na angi ni gwenda umwacui kamera-ini na andu a media mamurike nigetha amenye ati gutiri ungi. Tondu Lucy yothe ni mari wasi.
I want to make this statement.
Building your dream home, rentals, or commercial property? Are you looking for durable, low maintenance, eco-friendly, and design-flexible materials for your construction? Express Terrazzo Center is your one-stop shop for all types of terrazzo materials, including white cement, marble chips, strips, skirting nails, and non-slip timber.
Hello and welcome to Express Terrazzo Center. We offer all types of terrazzo materials including white cement, all colors of chips and polish.
Our chips come in 3 different colors: white, black and cream, which can be customized for different areas such as kitchen countertops, flooring and walls. We also offer fixing and delivery services across the country.
At Express Terrazzo Center, we have 3 different colors of terrazzos, that is white, black and cream. Each color has 2 sizes, that is 3/16 and 1/4. We also have flower terrazzo for your decoration.
Visit us at Ruiru Bypass, Kamakis, near RFH Hospital, 3 kilometers from the roundabout, or call us on 0798 333 000. Express Terrazzo Center. You dream it, we fix it.
And let it be very clear to everybody that I have got only wife, Lucy Jau, and she is the only one. Na hakuna mwingine. Kwa hivyo wewe unafikiria kuna mwingine, hiyo ni shida yako.
Wow, thank you so much. Kigo kia mwisho kwenda kwira thirikari Mukenya mwikari wa Kirigiti arataku aria makwendete na riu tana biashara.
Yani ningependa kusema tumeingia mwaka mpya Na ile mwaka tumeteseka sana, biashara zimeenda chini na uchumi umeenda chini, na tumewachwa tukiwa na wasiwasi tutaenda njia gani. Yale ningependa kuambia Wakenya ni wajipatie moyo na tusiangalie nyuma, tuendelee mbele. Na ile kitu unafanya hata kama ni kitu kidogo, wewe weka bidii kwa hiyo. Na Mungu akiona wewe unaweka bidii, yeye atainua wewe. Lakini ukikaa pale chini na wewe iwe kazi yako ni kulia, wewe utaenda kulia na sisi hakuna kitu tutasaidia wewe. Kwa hivyo kila mtu afanye bidii.
Wow, thank you so much. Hera namba yaku ya thimu nijo handu ingi muno mangienda gukorwo magikwariria na muno makirio na hota kuona mundu agikuhe biashara out of this show.
Thank you. I would be very happy. Na nikipata biashara na kuhakikisha utapata 2%. Kwa maana wewe ndio umeniletea hiyo bahati.
Wow.
Thank you. Aria magienda thimu yakwa ndehithagwo no ngithi haria nduka-inĩ nĩ nyandĩke ni 0721 342 643. Na hiyo ndio nimetumia miaka yote tangu tulipata hii mambo ya hii simu ya mkono.
Wow.
Sijakuwa na ingine.
Nishokera ligi
0721 342 643.
All right. Good. Na nikuguceria rimwe na haha bypass haria andu acio mareto Express Terrazzo Center ukamageithie. One of these fine days.
Na one day he muthuri murata wakwa witagwo Mwaniki wanjirie tuthi tukarore sitagwo Terrazzo. Na I was surprised to see that you are the people who are advertising their business. So I know where they are. No rutogerie nawe ne njoi ne tukugurerwo kanyama choma hau to bypass nayo.
No na bypass.
Ikire maundu maingi.
That is it. Nikugo tuhiuke naho tuthukire akanyama na hau uguo area ni tune handu hanunga nyama urio para.
Thank you.
Igura Terrazzo ukigua kuria nyama.
Siko kila mahali ukitoka pale ka market sijui wapi. Ojei. Tembea hiyo njia yote, hii ni nyama yote uchague ile utakula.
Yes.
So fanya bidii tuende huko.
So thank you so much and God bless you so much. Mureri wa Farodhi wa TV. Thank you muno makiria nyimana Mr. Samuel Njau Gisharu na gwiciria we marito macio na Gisharu ti andu matari indo koguo ndungihana andu mena indo coke witwa andu mena indo tondu ritwa Gisharu bururi-ini ti ni ritwa taru I think the mwene Mount Kenya University
the smallest Gisharu apart from me so Vice Chancellor.
Ndio kuigua
hao wengine ni watu wakubwa.
What is it?
Na watu wanajua mambo ya kutengeneza nchi na economy. So and here I am. Nafikiri hakuna kitu najua. You'll be very surprised. The other thing I would like to say. When I heard about Farodhi TV. Unajua nilikuwa nafikiri ni station ndogo. Wakati nimefika hapa nimefurahia sana. Kutoka pale kwa mlango kuingia huku. Nikaona nyinyi ni watu mnaendelea mbele.
Yes.
Na mtafikia watu wengi sana. Halafu nimeangalia program zenyu. Nikaona sitasaidia watu.
Yes.
Kwa hivyo muendelee mbele. Na sisi tutaendelea kuambia watu wa watch Farodhi TV.
Farodhi TV.
Kwa maana TV ya Farodhi ni kiboko yao.
Thank you so much. Na yuko mzee mmoja nataka kukutane na yeye anaitwa Maina wa Maryland. Huwa tunamleta hapa.
Hiyo jina ni familia.
Maryland Realtors Limited. Ofisi yake iko hapa Mountain Mall. Thika Road.
Hakuna shida.
Tutatembea na wewe tumsalimie.
Hakuna shida. Wewe piga simu. Kipiga simu. Mimi niko hapa.
Yes.
Na sina shughuli mingi. Niambie unataka kuniona. Piga simu mimi.
Nimwambie pigwa simu na former president.
Hakuna shida.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so.
Koguo na ningĩ ona tukirikagiriria mwirori wa Farodhi wa TV. Nyama tu manayo haha uguo.
Kidogo usike hapa.
Koguo hana uguo. Ndio hiyo. Yes. Sisi pia tuko hapa. Koguo ni undu wa ungera kumwithira wira brand ambassador ndio gukiona riu akire hau uguo na ndakwira ahana Kibaki. Koguo we Kibaki wira we. Thank you so much. Asante sana. Na nimuona Lucy wake ni mahana Lucy uliogi. Girora nijo ni producer ni agugwikirira hau bica icio ciothe oneno ciothe ni agwikira hau screen ni getho cione. God bless you so much. Asante sana ni ndwa gwikira ha. Make sure no subscribe thini wa Farodhi wa Thayo TV. Mwaka uyu ni maundu maingi muno tugukurehera magugucanjamura gugukenia gukuruta guguthomithia na gukuhunjiria. Koguo murari wa Farodhi wa Thayo TV tukurikiria hau ni gukuhunjiria ciegi Express Terrazzo Center gukuhe namba yao ni getho macerere haria bypass wahituka RFH me hau uguo mbere ni ukuona signboard cia barabara ni getho thi ugure Terrazzo we oraka we Kiambu na Nyukinyere Meru Embu Mombatha Naivasha Kitale Kakamega gutire handu matangi kurehera tunimeka delivery Express Terrazzo Center manakonderia material ciena quality njega na nimekaga installation ya Terrazzo na ona wewe kirirwo Terrazzo tena ni urende egie no thiu mweru ni mathamithambagia na acid neka ko polish Terrazzo ni enda ku maintain wega nigetha turi matuko maingi na nigetha otore o maintainaga no karora kamwiri gaku nigetha wikaikare ugo no gona Terrazzo ikoragwe hana oya namba ya 07983300 na kukuria gwa Cool Palace B&Bs aria ngorire mena nyumba cia 1 bedroom 2 bedroom 3 bedroom studio apartment kuria Rwaka Roysambu Kiambu Road bypass Ocean Estate ukomaethana na beno ya 07489900 masherere nigetha ugie na mweke ucio wa gukoma kwao. They have fully furnished houses we oroka holiday we oroka kuhumuka we oroka ni undu wa biashara na nduraikara thiko nyingi uraikara wiki muka na wiki igire kana mweri no aranirie nao na we raimanja wa bururi marakugira airport free of charge ugotwara kuri uguthie gukoma na riu koguo no aranirie na ugotukira na bea 07489900 airport transfers marakuhe free na no ega kuririkana ati rumu icio ciao ciothe cikundu kwina wifi lift na kindu gigwitwo parking njega muno makiria na ni kundu ungenjoya guikara ona matuko maingaingi wabici ciao ci haria Muthaiga Square first floor wing C room number 110 mashere nigetha mwaranirie nao na makiria mothe ungigibatara Farodhi TV memere kigongona riaku imwe kwa imwe wi haria hothe uri whether ni uhiki mathiko anniversary conferences magongona ma mithemba yothe ona kana ni kambuni urahingura kana ni undu wothe mureka thiini wa family mothoni ruracio itho ngenda ku live stream ro kwero video kana mbica niyo photography ukamahurira 0718 443333 0718 443333 wina certificates twashukuru birth certificates kindu gigwitwo title deeds iona kana besha ni twendagia safe cio guku by the way ako ni wenda safe box ya kuiga indo icio nigetha ikorwo cie safe itikaurirwo itikaiwa itikahe riu ni wega kumigura na ndiri goro ananiria na ithuko tukira 0798008008 0798008008 nigetha wigwatire safe yaku na nitwikaga delivery ugihora na beo safe igukora ginya gwaku murango-ini. God bless you so much ni ndo gukorwo hamwe na ithui na thank you muno makiria Mr. Simon ndake na muno makiria Mr. Samuel.
Yes
Mr. Samuel, thank you so much nigo tucerera guku ona ni nigucerera kuria Kirigiti nitakuja hapo
tutakula uji huko Lucy atatupikia uji.
I'll come.
Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. God bless you so much.